In today's fast-paced world, credit cards have become an integral part of our financial lives. These small pieces of plastic wield great power, both positive and negative, and can significantly impact our financial well-being. In this video, we'll explore how credit cards can affect your financial landscape, offering insights that may guide your decisions and help you make the most of this financial tool. Firstly, let's consider the positive side. Credit cards offer convenience and security. They provide an easy and secure way to make purchases, both online and in-store, without carrying large amounts of cash. Additionally, many credit cards come with buyer protection and extended warranties on purchases, offering a layer of security that cash transactions simply cannot match. One of the significant financial advantages of using credit cards wisely is the opportunity to build a strong credit history. By consistently paying off your credit card balance on time, you demonstrate financial responsibility to potential lenders. This can significantly enhance your credit score, which is a crucial factor in determining your eligibility for loans, mortgages, and even car insurance rates. A high credit score can lead to lower interest rates, saving you money in the long run. Credit cards also often come with rewards programs, offering cashback, travel miles, or points that can be redeemed for various perks. When used responsibly, these rewards can add substantial value to everyday purchases. Additionally, by strategically choosing a card that offers the best rewards for your spending habits, you can effectively maximize these benefits. However, credit cards also come with potential pitfalls. One of the most common issues is the ease with which one can fall into debt. The temptation to spend beyond your means is ever present, and when the monthly bill arrives, high interest rates can quickly turn a minor balance into a significant financial burden. Interest rates on credit cards can be extraordinarily high, often ranging from 15% to 25% or more. This means that carrying a balance month to month can lead to substantial interest charges, far outweighing any rewards or benefits gained from using the card. It's crucial to remember that credit cards can be a double-edged sword. The key is to leverage their advantages without falling into financial traps. Another critical impact of credit cards on your finance is the potential influence on your budgeting habits. Because credit cards can make purchasing feel effortless, they might lead to mindless spending if not monitored closely. Developing a disciplined approach to credit card use, such as setting a monthly budget and tracking expenses diligently, can prevent financial strain and promote healthy financial habits. It's also important to be aware of fees associated with credit cards. Late payment fees, annual fees, foreign transaction fees, and cash advance fees are some of the common ones that can add up quickly if left unchecked. Understanding the terms and conditions of your credit card can help you avoid unexpected costs and better manage your finances. Moreover, identity theft and fraud are risks that come with credit card use. To safeguard your finances, it's essential to regularly monitor your statements. Report any suspicious activity immediately and take advantage of security features like alerts and notifications provided by your issuer. In conclusion, credit cards are powerful financial tools that, when used judiciously, can provide several advantages such as building credit, offering security, and earning rewards. However, mismanagement can lead to significant financial challenges, including debt and poor credit scores. By understanding both the benefits and potential drawbacks, setting a personal financial strategy, and maintaining disciplined spending habits, you can harness the power of credit cards to enhance your financial health rather than hinder it. Remember, being informed and proactive in managing your credit is often the first step towards financial stability and success. Don't forget to grab your free stock and start investing today using my Robinhood link below. Follow, comment, and subscribe to keep up with our series, Money Moves They Never Taught Us. Join us next week as we explore how to build wealth while you sleep, passive income ideas.